Do you want to know how you can update your photo in Elsa Speak? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can update your photo in Elsa Speak. Go ahead and open Elsa Speak, which is on your phone. Now go to Profile, which is on the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Tap on Profile and you can see the photo option. As you have not uploaded a photo, go ahead and tap on the photo and you should allow access to Elsa Speak. So tap on Select Photos and Videos. What you need to do is go ahead and choose a photo now. So go ahead and tap on Select Photos and Videos. Tap on a photo you want to upload. Tap on Allow and you can choose photos from your photo library or your camera. So just go ahead and choose a photo and you can see that your profile photo has been uploaded. Let me show it to you once again. Locate your Elsa Speak on your phone, tap on it. Now go to your profile, which is on the top right or your bottom right hand corner of your screen. Tap on your profile, tap on the photo option, tap on Select Photos and Videos, select a photo you want to choose, tap Allow and go to Photo Library again, choose the photo again and you can see that your profile picture in Elsa Speak has been uploaded and updated. This was a video on how you can update your photo in Elsa Speak. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.